Okay, welcome to all. Till here, we discussed different types of estimations, specifications, rate of analysis, and even long wall and short wall method of estimations. These are all our things we discussed in the previous classes. Even also in the first, just before this, in first session, 31st session, center line estimation basics are also be discussed. In this particular session we will cover upon continuation of the session number 31, simple problems on detailed estimate using center line method, and then multiple choice questions. Before solving the problems, briefly I once again just explaining the how to identify the number of junctions, what are the things which is to be required before estimating the center line method. In this center line method of estimations, first you have to mark the center to center length of each walls. Different types of walls separately you have to count it, and then afterwards you have to now identify the ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದನ್ನು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್, ಈಗ ಎರಡು ವಾಲ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಲ್ ಬಂದು ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೋಡ್ 0. ಈಗ 3 ವಾಲ್ ಮೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೋಡ್ 1. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಟೈಪಿನ ವಾಲ್, ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 30 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಆರ್ 30-20 ಆರ್ 20-20 ಆರ್ 20-30, ವಿಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಜಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು observe it, and you have to identify separately. The total center to center length, after calculating that one by multiplying the breadth and depth, you can get the total quantities. Now here we will solve the simple problems which is continuation of the previous sessions. In previous sessions we already solved the problems on the simple buildings. In that building you studied regarding the earthwork excavation quantity calculations and CC bed calculations and SSM masonry calculations. These three things we discussed in the previous sessions. Now in these sessions we will discuss dam proof course, BBM wall in CM 1:6, and RCC slab in CC 1:2:4, and muram filling. These three things we will discuss in the four things we will discuss it in this particular class. See here, the problems sketch is given 6x4, plan 6x4, and this door is 1x2.1 meter, window 1x1.5 meter, and then all these details are to be also be given. 600 mm, 450 mm, 15 mm thick ceiling height, 3.1 meter, RCC slab thick 150 mm, wall thick 300 mm. These all things are to be given. Next, directly move on to the item wise calculations. Here, before going to that, first you have to calculate the total center to center length of the walls. In this particular case, there is no issues related to 20 centimeter wall, 30 centimeter like wall separately, because in this particular plan only 30 centimeter walls are there. Therefore no need to worry about the others. Directly you can add the each wall center to center length, and total length gives the total center to center length of that particular wall, 30 centimeter wall. Here number of junctions are also nil. Number of junctions nil, no junctions. See here, no junctions. That should keep it in mind. No junction here. Now first item wise we will move to first item, dam proof course. Dam proof course, numbers 1, length 21.2, number of junction is 0, therefore 21.2 is the length. That one you have to mark it here. Breadth is 0.45, and depth for dam proof course is 0.15, and quantity, by multiplying all these 4 columns you can get the quantities 1.43. Total quantity is 1.43 meter cube. Next, second item, here BBM wall in CM 1:6. In CM 1:6 BBM wall. Here length, center to center length is 21.2. Number of junctions 0. Number of junctions 0. Therefore no junctions. Now length is 21.2, breadth is, wall thickness is 0.3 meter, ceiling height is 3.1 meter. By multiplying all four columns, you can get the answer 19.72 meter cube. Total quantity is 19.72 meter cube, gross quantity. Gross quantity here. Why I told gross quantity means because for doors, windows, etc. now not deducted. That one we have to deduct. Gross quantities. Next. Deductions for doors. See here. Deductions for doors. Now one number of doors are there and door size is also be given 1 into 2.1 meter is the door dimension and thickness is 0.3 meter. By multiplying all this you can get 0.63 meter cube. Next, lintel above the door. One number of door here 1.3. Why it is 1.3? Either side bearings are to be, we have to assume 15 centimeter. Then 1 plus 0.15 plus 0.15. Then total 1.3. And thickness 0.3 and depth 0.15. By multiplying this, you can get 0.06 meter cube. Next, windows. Two number of windows are there and dimension 1 into 1.5. Wall thickness 0.3 meter. By multiplying this, you can get that is 0.90 meter cube. Next, lintel above window. Lintel above window. Lintels. One number of lintels here. Sorry, here I think two number of lintels are there. Lintel above window. Here two numbers. Make it correction. Two numbers and 1.3 each. 0.3, 0.15 and here also make 2 correction. Okay. Now total deduction it is 18 meter cube, 18.01 or 18.02 meter cube. Small correction here, 18.02. Next, RCC slab. RCC slab in CC 1:2:4. In RCC slab, in this particular case, how to calculate? The room is like this. 6 into 4 meter given loom. Therefore, area, how to calculate area? Area is here wall thickness you have to add, here wall thickness you have to add. Then it becomes 6.6 multiplied by here 6.6, here 4.6. By multiplying this, you can get area. Then multiply with slab thickness 0.15. 0.15 is the slab thickness. Then by multiplying all the four columns, you can get the total quantity becomes 4.55 meter cube. 4.55 meter cube. Next, soil filling. Another one is the item is the soil filling for trenches. Soil filling for trenches. One number. See here, one number. Here in trenches, trench in the sense like this foundation. Here you are going to construct the wall. See here. You are going to construct the wall. But up to here, this portion you have to fill the soil. How to fill? How to consider this portion? This portion is the 1/5 of the earthwork excavation. 1/5 of the earthwork excavation is equal to 1/5 into 12.4. That gives the trench filling quantities. Trench filling quantities 2.48 meter cube. Next, for plinth, inside room inside up to the plinth you have to fill the muram filling. How to calculate? You have to calculate inner to inner clear dimension between the basement. That one is 5.85. 5.85 into 3.85 multiplied by the height 0.6. That gives the 13.51. Now net quantity of the muram filling is 15.99 meter cube. Okay, this way you have to calculate the quantities which is to be recorded in the measurement book, MB book. Now for today's session, 4 items now we calculated. Abstract of estimated cost of these 4 items we have to prepare. Abstract of estimated cost form we have to prepare. In this form, item number, details of item, quantity, unit, rate, per amount. These are the number of columns and its descriptions. Now first item, DPC in CC 1:2:4. quantity already calculated, which is recorded in the MB book. That quantity we have to write it in the abstract of estimated cost form. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಬರಿಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Unit is meter cube. Rate 3500 rupees per meter cube. By assuming the rate local rate 3500 rupees per meter cube, and amount becomes 5008 rupees. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ವಾಲ್. ಬಿ ಬಿ ಎಮ್ ವಾಲಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 18.069 ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ರೇಟ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ರೇಟ್ 2990 rupees per meter cube. Now it becomes 54,026 rupees. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಸಿ ಸಿ ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಇನ್ ಸಿ ಸಿ 1:2:4. ಇದು ಕೂಡ 4.554 meter cube ಬಂದಿದೆ. And rate is 3604 rupees per meter cube. Then becomes 16,412 rupees. Next, earthwork filling for foundation and plinth. 15.99 ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ₹65 per meter cube ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ರೇಟ್ ಲೋಕಲ್ ರೇಟ್ ಇದೆ. By multiplying this 1040 rupees nearly. This is the, in this way we have to calculate the total cost of the each and every item of work. Okay. Next, remaining items we will discuss it in the upcoming sessions. In that sessions, we will discuss the different types of problems: plastering, painting, and flooring, whitewashing, color washing. All this will discuss one by one in the upcoming problems. Okay. Next, now MCQ. Multiple choice question. Multiple choice question, MCQ 32 session. The question number 1. The order of booking dimensions is length, breadth, height, breadth, length, height, breadth, length. None of this. Which is the correct answer? In which sequence we have to book the dimensions? Length, breadth, height. This is the way we have to book the dimensions. Correct answer is first one. Next, the excavation exceeds 1.5 meter in width and 10 meter square in plan area with the depth not exceeding 30 centimeter is termed as surface excavation, surface dressing, excavation, cutting. It is surface dressing because top surface is etc. Some material, some grass material etc. is there. Then that one we can remove it by just 1 feet soil top surface. You have to remove it. That is very important. Next, for the construction of buildings, the subhead of the estimate are brickwork, flooring, woodwork, steelwork, earthwork, concrete work, brickwork, stonework, roofing. Option number D, all the above. Which is the correct answer? For the construction of building, the subhead of the estimates are all the above is the correct answer. Next, pick up the item of work not included in the plinth area estimate. Which is the correct? Option number A, courtyard area, wall thickness area, room area, water closet area. Which is the correct answer? Plinth area, not included in the plinth area. Answer is option number A, courtyard. Next, the concrete work for the following part of the building of a specified thickness is measured in square meter. Is measured in square meters. Roof slab, floor, DPC, wall panels, all the above. Which is the correct answer? All the above is the correct answer. In all, roof slab is also measured in meter square, floors are also measured in meter square, DPC also in meter square, wall panels are also in meter square. Therefore, all the above is the correct answer. While preparing a detailed estimate, dimensions should be measured corrected to 0.01 meter. Area should measure nearest to 0.01 meter square. Volume should measure correct to 0.01 meter cube. All the above. Which is the correct answer? Option number 4 is the correct answer. Next, the rate of payment is made for 100 meter cube in case of excavation in trenches for foundation, earthwork in excavation, rock cutting, all the above. Which is the correct answer? Rate of payment is made for 100 meter cube in case of all the above. All the above cases, rupees 100 meter for a 100 meter cube, it is to be estimated. Next, while preparing a detailed estimate, volume should be measured correct to 0.01 meter cube, area should be measured correct 0.01 meter square, dimension should be measured correct to 0.01 meter. Which is the correct answer? Option number 1 is the correct answer. Option number 1 is the correct answer. Next, approximate cost of hostel building for 100 students at the rate of 10,000 per students. Work out rupees 10 lakh. True or false? For one student, 10,000 rupees. For 100 student, how much? Answer is 10 lakh. True or false? True. True is the answer, because by multiplying this, you can get 10 lakhs. How many bricks are there in 1 square meter? 1 square meter, how many bricks are there? 1 square meter, how many bricks are there? 1 square meter. You have to calculate how many bricks are there. For a 1 square meter, option number 40, 45, 50, 55. Which is the correct answer? Option number 3, 50 is the correct answer. For 1 meter square, 50 number of bricks are present. Okay, thank you. In upcoming sessions, we will discuss regarding the different types of different item of estimation. That is not, that thing is not covered. It may be in different pitched roof and its types, woodworks, whitewash, color wash. All these things we not discussed in this particular 2 sessions. In these sessions, therefore, that things we will cover up in the ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಇನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುವಂಥ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡುವ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯಿತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 1 ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾಗೆ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದ ಡಿಟೇಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.